Learn how to rust metal with common household ingredients in this video.
Hi, I'm Donnie, and today we're going to show you how to rust metal super easily with common household ingredients. A little bit of vinegar, hydrogen peroxide, salt, and a spray bottle to spray it onto the sculpture. Let's get started. So first we'll take the hydrogen peroxide. Put a bunch of it in there. I'm not really measuring, I'm doing roughly 3-to-1 ratio of hydrogen peroxide and white vinegar. Close enough. Loose enough. About a teaspoon of salt. That's close enough. Put it in the spray bottle. Shake it up. Let's see how it works.
Make sure you're really spraying every single spot on the sculpture or the piece of metal that you want to rust. If you're doing this correctly and you're really getting everything good, it should start rusting immediately. This sculpture rusted really quick, as soon as I sprayed it, and then 30 minutes after it was a little bit deeper, and then later on in the video you'll see what it looks like the next day. The more that you spray the metal and the longer that you let the solution sit on the metal, the deeper and more thorough the rust will be. So depending on the type of look you're going for, if you want less rust on it, don't spray it as much or wash it off quicker. And if you want more rust on it, let the solution sit on it a lot longer. This is literally right after I sprayed it. You can see how much it rusted already, immediately. So the results were pretty great for the lack of effort or having to buy or spend any money on any extra ingredients to make it rust. So it worked really good. I'm going after with this sculpture a much deeper rust, so some of these spots were still pretty bare metal, and I will let the vinegar solution sit on the metal a lot longer and continually to spray it till I get the amount of rust that I'm looking for. This is about 30 minutes later. It's gotten darker already, but I still want more, so I'm going to spray it again. Now this is definitely the look that I wanted. The rust is really, really dark. I think it came out great. Exactly what I was looking for and super easy to do with this solution that we made with home products. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel and allows me to keep producing content that I enjoy doing. Thank you so much.